Video.
Hi. Today Liam makes 2 weeks old. Hi Liam. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Oh. Hello. Hello. Liam, look at his little car socks. Isn't it cute? It's coming off
Alex
a
over
lot.
here trying to take picture.
Look, Uncle Alex. Say Uncle Alex.
Hello, Uncle Alex.
Okay. Say, okay, Alex. Wave to the camera. Hi. How old are you, Alex?
How old are you?
To the camera.
4.
Alright.
4 years old.
Boo.
And here's Liam again. Hi, Liam. See? Look at his little legs, and his belly button thing came out.
Where did it went?
Where did it?
Where did it went?
Daddy's taking a video, so I said, "Here's Liam. He makes 2 weeks old today."
Baby Leo.
And then I said, and his belly button.